table in HTML. In HTML, we have table we can write using two methods. Two ways we have to write the table. Write the structure. Structure of table. The structure, you can write the first method. First method. So what we have in, whenever you are going to create a table, according to HTML4 we have some changes, according to HTML5 we have some changes. Both will use according to need. Let's write the structure for that. So table tag will start like this, and table tag will have two sub elements. One will be called a caption, and second will be called a TR. Caption and TR. Caption will create the heading of table. Okay, this display the and say title of table. Title of table. This table is for what purpose? And TR will create the row for a table row. Next, after that, you will have under the TR, you will follow the call TH. It's called table heading. Table heading. And one more you have called table data. Table data. Table data. Okay. Table heading as well as table data. Now write the second method. In the second method, what we have? In the second method, we have little changes. The table tag will be there, and under the table tag, there will be called T head. T head, then T body, and then T foot. T foot. T head, T body, T foot. T head, it cover top section of table. T body, it cover middle section of table. T foot, it cover bottom section of table. Now under the T head, you will write here TR will come, and under the TR, TH will come. Under the T body also, TR will come. Under the TR, TT will come. Under the T foot, TR will come. Under the TR again, TH will come. So this is the structure of table. Inside so many property values are there, but we need to follow in that way. Without T head, without you can say a TR, you cannot write a TH and TD. And without table, you should not write a TR. So TR is a child of table, and TH and TD is the child of TR. Okay, so this we will follow. By mistake also anywhere without table you cannot write a TR. By mistake also without TR you cannot write a TH and TD. Okay? These all are the dependent element. Dependent tag you can say. Next you will write below two property for the table, and then you will go to example. So how many tags you found in table? One is called table tag, another one is called caption, then TR, TH and TD. Total 5 tags. And apart from that, what extra tag we found under the second method? TR, TH remain same. TR, TD remain same. One is called T head, T body and T foot. 3 extra tag we found: T head, T body and T foot. Okay, so 5 plus 3 total 8 tags. Using 8 tags, we can create a table or any type of design you can create where you want to display data in the form of table. Next, we will write below list of property and values. List of property and values in table TR, TH and TD. Table TR, TH and TD. In that, what are the properties are important property? Those we need to, not important, almost every property we cover. Got it? Now let's write a property called align. A line has three values: left, center, as well as right. Left, center, and right. Next, after that, we have a property called border. Border we can give a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have next property called cell padding. Cell padding. This will help you. It apply space inside TH and TD. Under the TH and TD, if you want to apply some space, you can use this property called cell padding. Cell spacing, we have a property. Cell spacing, it apply a space inside, not inside, outside. Outside TH, TD. Okay, ready? Now create a file, table1.html. In that we will implement this 4 properties: align, border, cell padding, and cell spacing. System is not working. Okay, where we will write example. This we have to create a file, and there we need to add the code. So we have written it here. Next, create file, table1.html, and come inside that table1.html. In table1.html file, so we have written this note. HTML you start, follow the body tag. Under body tag, create a table. Under the table, you will use a property called border. Border, any number, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, a property called align. Okay, so first you write without a line to understand what is the by default direction of table. Okay, so table open, close. Next, after that, write a caption. Under the caption, you write for customer details. Customer details. Customer details. Now after that, after the caption tag, write the next TR. Under the TR, you can use 2 tags. One is called TH. Suppose example I'll write for full name. Next, we'll follow one TD for table data purpose. Input type equal to, not input type, write input type, we are writing full name. Any name we can write, then S. Next, write the next TR. TH inside. Mobile number. Next TT you will write. Any number you can add. Add one more TR. Follow the TH. City. Follow the next TT. Some city name. We will run this much. 3 TR, and each TR we have 2 columns. One TH and one TD. TH and TD, then we'll run it. Your file extension is not HTML. You are not given the HTML extension. Then which file you are text file how will run. You need to run that file. Where is that file? That's why you have created one browser. So, created in folder. Go create a folder on desktop. This is the folder. Create folder first. You have a folder is already installed. Go inside. Go to page. Not the code. Description that is not the code. Description of the application is right. This is the description. Go to the now. Stable class is the name of the DSO. Sorry. So you have slide running for how many people? So now are you able to run the page? Should appear something like this, basic table. Basic table, it was something like this. Inside that, we start from HTML, end by HTML, start from table, end by table. Open the TR, close the TR. Every TR with the right maximum, one TH and one TD. Number of TH, TD, there is no limitation, but TH and TD both can be the part of TR. So we created one heading and one we added the data. Again, next TR we added the heading and we added the data. So table is coming, but it's a very well compressed table. We have to give little other properties so that it will be, you can say, spacious. Right here, a property called align. Align equal to where? Center. So your table will come exact in the middle of the screen. Table will come exact in the center of the screen. Next, after that, one more property you can add, cell padding. Cell, P-A-D-D-I-N-G equal to add somewhere 20. And then let's run the page again. You will find table become very good spacious. Table will become very good spacious. See now how it appears? It appears something like this. We'll run this. See? Become more space inside. That is because of cell padding. So whoever are writing, write it slowly. First, table properly open close. You add heading, title of the table, then add the TR. Every TR, two column you add, one TS and one TD. TS, TD, how many times? 3 times. Name, mobile number and city name. Name, mobile number and city name. Right, so for planning, correct. Cell padding, where is give a space? Inside. Cell padding will give a space inside. If once yours is running, yes, right to this. 20, you are not even a double. Okay. Or you can write on the next file first. Okay. You will find you can write on the next file. Without writing the code, there is no any way that you can show your expertise anywhere. Okay. Whether you feel like I'm pressurizing you, there is the next matter, but that is the truth. Which one? You ask any of your friend relative who is working in the market as a developer, you ask him, do you carry the notebook and pen? He will say they no use. Correct. So, till you will not start writing the code, you will not feel the which one? Benefit of technology, what you are learning. You must have to write it. Anywhere, if you are writing on paper or if anyone is suggesting you, I am writing the code in the system and you write in the system, you write in the paper, that meaning you are spoiling your time. Here, no. Whether you learn here or anywhere, that is no matter. But to learn that, yes, if you are going for the manual testing, you write in notebook time. If you are learning manual testing somewhere, you write in notebook is okay. If you are trying to be HR, if you are learning somewhere HR training, that write in the notebook is okay. If you are learning somewhere digital marketing, write in the notebook is fine. But if you are learning anywhere, any development course, okay, writing on paper is wasting your time and money. Clear? Write in the system. Now suppose you write in the notebook, you will miss one comma anywhere. You will go home, evening time will sit open the system and let's do the practical. One dot you missed out. Suppose one dot or one comma you missed. You will try here, there 10 minutes, half an hour, you will struggle. After that, hold the system and practical is finished. Okay. Okay, now if you write the code in front of me, error will come. I'll give the possibility of mistake. Correct? We'll try to find out the error. Okay? So better you write the code. See, the steps is like this. First few days I will write, you will copy me. After few days, definitely during the class time I will also write, you will also write. But after class I'll give you something. That time I will not write the code. Who will write the code? You will write the code. What you have learned while copying from me, from there you will implement something on the homework. Okay, so that way knowledge get transferred. One by one, one by one, one by one. Later after some days, I will show you the explanation. This is the something, this is the something. Take a photo and send me the homework. Right? You will understand. You will take some small photo and all. And based on that, you will write the code and you will deliver the. Many companies nowadays they will not give the description in the Word file to write something. They'll give a video. They'll give you a video clip of 10 minutes saying like watch this video and what functionality is happening in this. Similar you implement and send me the homework. It means they wanted to understand after looking into some problem up to how much level you can do something. Right? So next is table we have written, and inside the table, what is that? How many property row? Table border. After that, which one? Align. After that, which one? Cell padding. So align where it comes. Align it come in the based on our list. We can put in the left, we can put in the right, and we can put in the center. Left, right, center. That is called horizontal align. We have one more property called vertical align. Top, middle, bottom. I'll write the next movie example. Okay, now come and look into this table. You can see the mobile number what I have written, the city name I have written, mobile number I have written, correct? Full name I have written. Surrounding that, there is equal space. Inside the border top. That is because of cell padding. Now cell padding is only one property. In the CSS, it is of 5 types. Cell padding is of 5 types. That is not called cell padding, that is called padding for the same purpose. But in CSS, we can apply using 5 methods. Okay? And once you go in Bootstrap people have made 25 methods. There we can implement using 25 methods. Okay? Next. In the same file, add the next property. Next property called cell spacing. SPACIN, the cell spacing. Equal to, let's give some 10, 15 and see what happens in your browser. So the concept is not writing the theory of a lot and just keeping in a notebook and saying like my course is finished. Writing the few things only, but carry in your mind. Okay, and when it will happen? Once you implement it. Correct? So what we are doing now? We are doing the implementation. Writing the notes and implementing. Writing the notes and implementing. Okay. Okay, so cell spacing how much? 1, 5. So what will happen is, look at here. You can see now a space got increased between the 2 blocks. So between the Ganesh and mobile number there is some gap. That is because of cell spacing. So cell spacing apply a space outside and cell padding apply the space inside. Your content leave a space surrounding equal, that is because of cell padding. And your cells leave the space outside equal, that is because of cell spacing. Okay, so cell spacing and cell padding used to apply the space inside the table, cell spacing for out of the cell and cell padding for inside the cell. Got it? Add one more TR in that. I will write after this example, you can follow me. Okay? Now follow the next called TH. Inside that you write anything. College, education, write one TT. Save it. Okay, now again, once we run the page, we can see one more column got added. Okay, so let's come to the next file. This file, what we saw, one property called border. Now another property called align, another property called cell padding, next property called cell spacing. Okay, border you are given one, increase that, give 20, 30, 40, 50, see what happens. Increase the border, instead of 10, give it 20, and see, instead of 1, give it 20, see what happens, there is space got applied. Okay, so it looks like it's a 3D table, something like this. Write again, give some more, suppose 100 I given. Something like this. So that is happening through which property? Border property. Okay? Align your written left, center, put left, see where it appears, put right, then also see where it's appears. Okay, ready. Come to the next again in developer side. Okay, based on same property what we have written, align border, cell padding, cell spacing. Will create one more file, table2. So this file everyone should follow, table2.html. Create one more file, table2.html. In same folder, HTML folder. Email folder. Okay, come out and go here. Inside one, run, start. Select form. Notebook can be the setting. Notebook can be the notebook cannot be the. But another market is not going to ask you to see and speak about. Market is going to ask you system once the 10, 1 to 10 is there, 4 600 in the corner right. And the so in that case, why not required? We don't have to invent much. You can see I have written here one this file. Which file? Developer guide text file. Even I suggested to people try avoiding writing the notes there in the notebook. Try writing the notebook notes there in the system itself. Okay, next. So table 2 you create. Go for table 2. Table 2. Okay. Under the table 2. Under the table 2. HTML. Then title and all is not required now. We need understanding of tags. So I'm following directly HTML and body. Okay. In body part, now you write a table. Write a table. Write a table. Inside this table, you can keep align as a center again. Align as a center. Write cell padding. Cell PADDING. Cell padding give something 15 somewhere. And then follow the border also. Border equal to 1 will be okay. Now next after that, write a caption tag. Caption tag. Okay. And inside the caption tag, you create one H1 tag. Write one H1 tag. And under the H1 tag, you can write for customer list. Caption and then H1. Caption then H1. Under the H1 you write customer list. So reason to follow the H1 is customer list. The title of the table will come big font size. Caption tag end here. Next TR will continue. Under the TR. Under the TR, write the TH. TH. Okay, false. Serial number. One more TH. Second serial number. Second, call customer name. Customer name. One more TH. City name. One more TH. Phone number. One more TH. Education. So 2, 4, 5 field. We will keep it a 5 field as now. Okay, so run this file. You will find all the heading will appear on top. All the heading will appear on top in one line. So heading we wrote for all the users. Now we need to write the data for all the users line by line. So TR, write the TD, serial number, customer name, next TD, city name, next TD, phone number, next TD, education, save now. You will find one place we have added the TH for all the customer, and below we are adding the data for all the customer. So TH one place and data multiple places. TH one place and data multiple places. One place TH and multiple place TD. You can see how that appear. It appears something like this. One column we are missing. City all we are given closing part. This one I wrote TR. Mind sometime it will go out of body. Okay. And our similarly add 2, 3 more TR. First try adding one TR. Okay. This one file is consideration. Okay, one TR we added. Add some more TR. Can add some more TR. TH02. Next TH. TD. No TH. Mahesh. Next TD from Bangalore. replace by Mumbai. The authority is the phone number. Something. Next is the application. Yes, it will appear like this. Add some 2-3 more record. Okay, added how many TR? 2 TR? Add one more TR. So when we have one customer, when we have one record, we will follow the table like previous structure. But when you have multiple record, you cannot follow the previous structure. You have to follow this structure. Now suppose we have 3 items, 3 customers. So we display one heading, and one heading is only representing the heading for all. Right? So in this case, this will be helpful further to apply the pagination and search. Pagination and search we can apply in future easily if we have made the page proper structure wise. Next, we need to come to the second developer guide. So it's running for critical. They check. Should run. It should run. Okay. Should run. Follow the HTML basic tags. Purchasing the degree and purchasing the knowledge. Which one is the best option? There is 2 options. Spend the money and purchase the degree. And one option is that spend the money and purchase the knowledge. Which one should be there? Which one is the best one? Spend the money and purchase the that you are doing now. Okay. Many people will call us. My internet is spread on YouTube everywhere. Daily 10 plus calls will come. Can clear my interview? Can clear my interview? Many people are there. If I say yes, then in a day 10 interview calls will come. Okay. Many people will call and say, I'm working already. I have put 6 years experience, but I have no experience. Someone else may clear my interview. Now I need someone who can help me out. I can pay my 50% salary. Okay. So if that way if I work, then I can handle 5 people work. My salary will be double of 5 people. Okay. But again, that is illegal work. That's not. And the person who is doing is already illegal. Okay, right? So that is not stable work. That is not stable work. Suppose someone will say, now implement fast and give me. Then what will happen? You cannot do that. Right? That will be the bad day. So best option is inject the knowledge and go in the market anywhere. You don't need any back support. Individually you can survive. If one company terminates, also no problem. What is the problem? There is unlimited company in the market. Right? But if you are surviving based on someone else's interview clearance, right? If one company terminates, then that is the last one. What is the guarantee next interview will clear? No. So always smart work is also important, but not in the beginning. After a certain time. Okay. So table we implemented. What are the property are clear now? Align, self padding as well as border. TH we will never write without TR. TD we will never write without TR. Okay. Now TH and TD whenever we write, it must be under the TR and TR should follow the table. Okay. So this we are going to continue till long time. No need to worry. Come down to the end of the line. Now next property will be little logical property. Okay. What is that? You remember your mark sheet structure? You remember the final year mark sheet structure? Multiple row, multiple column, this subject, that subject will be combined. Table, mark sheet table, you remember? Let me show you something from internet. Rowspan and colspan. Right. Now look into this file. In this file, this is also table. But see the structure of table, look a little different or not? In the first line, there is a total 4 column. 4 column. And when you look inside, everywhere there is a 4 column only. But row wise, there is a difference. This 4, David is how many rows? 3 rows, correct? Here, Alex also how many rows? 3 rows. When I look into the another one, when I look at here, Ajay and Priya, each is how much? 24. So this is what is happening. It is taking the height of how many rows? 2 rows. 2 rows, correct? Look at here. In this photo, you can see the first line is taking the space of how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. This span, you can see it's taking the height of how many rows? 4 rows. This is taking the space of how many rows? 2 rows, correct? Similar way, if I go here, timetable. In timetable, lunch is taking how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Correct? Here you can see hours is taking how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So this is the implementation of property called row and row span as well as colspan. When you can say hours, how many rows is take? 6 rows. Is called row span. Row span 6. Here you can see lunch. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is colspan how many? 5. And here row span how many? 6. And the first row timetable you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is taking the total rows of how many? 6. So here will be the not rows, columns. Here will be the total colspan how many? 6. Because it's taking the place of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Right? So that we are going to implement now. That is called row span and colspan. And once you understand the colspan and row span, then you can do the assignment on the website. Okay, now come. Go inside. We write the property called colspan. Colspan. It combines a space of multiple. It combines the space of not multiple. You can say just write 2 or more. It combines a space of 2 or more columns. Row span. It combines a space of 2 or more rows. That is called, okay, a row better you can write rows. Create a file table3.html, table3.html. Table created, file table3. In table3, follow again HTML, follow a body tag. Under body tag, the right a table tag. To the right border equal to 1, cell spacing equal to 0. Between 2 cells, don't give any space, and cell padding equal to 10. And keep align equal to center. Now follow inside a caption, right inside H1. Data entry report. Data entry report. Become a title of table. Title of table called data entry report. Next, write a tr and follow the th. Give for ID. Next th. Name. Next th. Profession. Next th. Gender. Next th. Okay, profession, and then instead of gender, write education. Next, write call profession education. After that, city. Next, after that, so let it be how many column? 5 column. Based on 5 column, we will try understanding the rowspan first. Okay, follow the next year. The first record is complete with the full details. Like first user have everything. So this name better to write as a full name. Will make some sense. So TR, the first user 01 Ganesh. Next profession developer. Next is called education. MCA. Next is the city. Spirit. One customer have all the record. Now you will see the single line border will come. Because on the page single line gray color border will appear. Single line border, double line border. Almost single line. Now, for this table, okay, cell padding increase little, make 1515. Cell padding make it 15. Species. Go for second user. Second user is also from Bangalore only. What we do for that? Let us write the second user. Second user, follow the TD 02. Next TD. Next TD. Yeah. Next TD. MBA. And also from the same city. Also from the same city. So what it will show? First user also show from Bangalore and second user also show from Bangalore only. Okay. So now see, for both the customer, you can see city remain same. In the previous I have written TH, right? We can change to TD. TD was TD. First row I have written for TH. You can change to TD. Now what is the concept is, table say, if two record you have similar record and that also in the same sequence one after other, then that will consider as a duplicate record. Okay, so Bangalore, both are coming one after other and both are same value. So it will consider as a duplicate record. So in that case, table say, do one thing, use a property and remove one. The whatever the common record you have, it will appear between both the users. So what is we are trying to do is, first go for the first year, and in first year the city are written, right there called rowspan. Rowspan equal to 2. Rowspan equal to 2. So we are forcing to this TD, saying like you are taking your place to take, and along with that take the space of the next row also. Take the space in the next row also for the similar column, same column. So Bangalore will display one time in the first row, and it will represent for first user also, and it will represent for the second user also. Okay, reason. Now what will happen is it will appear in the middle. From first user and second user, it will appear in the middle. Now one TD have taken the place of first row and second row, then there will not be any use of the this one, last Bangalore. If you are keeping both the Bangalore with the rowspan 2, your page will become very connected to go here and there. See, Bangalore went outside because it's becoming a column count mismatch. Number of column is more compared to previous row. So in that case, this one, last one. Not last one, what is that? Last one only, Bangalore. Last Bangalore, I will be commenting it out. Last TD, I will comment it. I'll say last TD got commented. So this, the first year, last TD will take the place of the current row, as well as it will take the place of the next row also. Now how it works when we run it, you can see. It's appear like this. One city value is combining the city of two users. Like for Ganesh also, as well as for Ajit also. look similar or something else? Two rows got combined. The space of two rows come in the next line. It's working or not working? Let me know in chat. Are you able to combine two columns? You can remove also. It is not necessary to give them. Remove that particular line. Okay. Next, what is the next implementation is? Next implementation is a user have no any profile, not belong to any of the profession. So what will happen in that case? This field will come as empty. So if this field will come as empty, table says like don't leave empty. Do one thing, if any one particular record is missing, it's not filled by user or maybe not exist, then don't create an empty column here. What to do? Combine the space of two columns together. So it will not be empty, it will feel like the value itself is not a particular value staying there. That will be called a colspan. So let me come to the code. Right, third year, right. In third year, the third number user. Write one more TD. That is called something. Sumit has not filled the education. This one profession. Sumit is from education that is called BCA background, and Sumit is from the Chennai. Sumit is from the Chennai. You will write and see. You will find one column is missing. One column is missing. So value will be D structure. If you look into the browser, you will see the value will be D structure. Education went to the profession and city came to the education and city becomes empty. So now what we have to do? First think which column is missing. Then profession column is missing. Now before profession column, which column appear? That is called name column. So it will be responsibility of name column to take the place of next column also. Okay? It will be responsibility of name column to take the place of missing column. So how to do that? You can go here and inside the name column, you will write called colspan 2. Colspan 2. So it will take the one column and along with that it will take the space of second column. Colspan 2. Now colspan 2 help like this. You can see space of two column got combined. Space of two column got combined. That is called colspan. Next user is in such a way, he has given only two fields. One his name, another one is his city. He has not given the profession, he has not given the education. So what will happen in that? What are the fields are available for next user? One is called name, another one is called city. No other field. Let's come. First write the TR. In entire HTML, the table colspan, rowspan is illogical, remaining all are static. Once you remember means remember. Okay. In this you have to see how many columns is finding, that many number will get. Okay. Little thought is required, remaining all HTML are static only. Once you write and remember, you will remember from there. For the next TD 04. Write there call in name. Some name I wrote. Okay. Next after that, another thing is available that is called direct city from the Delhi. Kolkata I wrote. By that. Okay. So how many columns are missing? Missing is called one is profession, another one is called education. So two columns are missing. And along with that, three are available. Now what will happen? Education is missing as well as profession is missing. Education and profession. So before education and profession, which column exists? That is called name. So it will be the responsibility of name column to take the place of itself next as well as next three columns. So you will write here, again, colspan equal to how much? 2 is missing and 1 is the current. Total again 3. Then only it will match and name will get split in 3 columns and city will come in the last column. Okay. Now come down and see. Okay. This is called your colspan. When you are combining the space horizontally, left to right, that is called colspan. When you combine the space from top to bottom, that is called rowspan. Now assume this all the users, 4 users we have, this all are the entry of today date. Entry date is same. We will display one column here called entry date, maybe registration date, and in that registration date, we will display the same date for all 4 users. So how that look like? Let's come to the code. So first check till row number 4, everyone added. Till row number 4 if we have done, then we can write the next code. See, HTML is a static language. Once you remember. Okay. In that entire HTML, rowspan, colspan, one part is left logical, remaining all are static. Once you remember this. Now come to the next part. In the same file, we need to add one date column. So first go to the first ER and add a th column, register date. Add a column called register date. Register date, and what is the requirement is? The requirement is the date is common for all users. Date should be common for all users. Then question is, requirement is date should be common for all users. Then question is, where to add the column and how many will be the rowspan? In which row we need to add the column for date and what will be the rowspan? Right? You can reply in chat also. Condition is, we need to display the same date for all the users. So where to add? In which TR to add a date? First TR, with Ganesh or some other TR. Where to add? Not understood? See, I'm asking like, we have total 4-5 users. Out of 4-5 users, we wanted to add a common date for all. Correct? So shall we add the date in the first row, second row, third or fourth? One person reply for 4. See, you have to go to the first year, first row. In first row, add one TD here in the last. Okay, give any date, today date. Example 27/03/20. Okay, but this will be visible in the only first row. It will not be visible in the second, third, and fourth. You can see that it is available only in the first row. Now, what we want to do? We want this to cover the entire. So, entire then first we count how many users you have. We have total for 4 users. So, we have to write here the property called rowspan equal to how many you want to write? 4. Then write rowspan 4. Rowspan 4. After adding the rowspan 4, we can see what is the output of the page. This is the output. So between 4 TR, 4 rows, the data is displaying one place. Correct? Between 4 users, data is displaying one place. Happen for all. Now, this value is printing date value. Where it is printing? In the middle. Right? For table, you are given for the line center says appear in the center. Now, this value is coming in the middle from top to bottom. Here also, Bangalore is coming in the middle. Right? So, we have a property called V-align. That is called vertical align. Vertical align will help you to display on the top, in the bottom, as well as middle. By default, is middle. So, you can come to that TD, this TD, and write here called V-align. V-align equal to maybe top. Try with the top, see where it is going. Top, bottom, and middle. You can try all 3 and run one. V-align top. So it will appear where? Top. Next we have a V-align bottom. That will appear in the last. Correct. And one more we have called by default V-align as a middle. So it will appear in the exact center. It will not write V-align middle, by default is the middle. Work for everyone. Attend tomorrow class and then you can do the assignment. You have some confusion in rowspan, colspan, 1-2 more example if you create. After that, you will become confident. Then I'll guide you to do the assignment. Okay, how many days you have spent it? You have spent it total. The video will decide. 1, 2, 3. Today is the 4th or 5th class. 5th class. One day we have not recorded. 3 video. One is today 4 and one is not there first day. Right. Okay, done. We'll see you tomorrow again.